Oh.
I found this in the attic. It was Grandpa's. How come you never told us the truth about dragons?
Well, we did. Dragons are wonderful. They're our friends.
Tell me this. Are they giant?
Well, yeah.
Razor sharp teeth? Breathe fire?
I suppose so.
Claws?
That'd be us.
What happened to your leg?
Oh.